Welcome back, everyone, to Mike Collects Stuff. And today, we're going to open up this hanger box of 2020 Topps Update Baseball. This is a Walgreens exclusive box. This comes with the yellow parallel inserts, exclusive only to Walgreens. I really like these yellow cards that come in here because they're hard to come by, and the rookie cards go up in value quick when the players do something good. So the one card I'm looking for out of this box is probably the Randy Arozerana rookie card, rookie debut, and also Bo Bichette and a few other cards. I think there's a Mike Trout in here, Ronald Acuna. Let's open this up and see what we get. All right, 2020 Topps Update, Walgreens hanger box. Looking for the yellow rookie cards in this one specifically, or whatever other good cards we can find out of here. Open this thing up. There it is. One big pack of cards. The yellows should be in the center. Nicely sealed. Let's see what we get. If we get anything good, we'll put the price in the corner of the screen. There goes my background. We have a Brian Johnson of the Red Sox. Man, I invested a lot in this guy. Autograph cards, rookie cards, short prints. I thought he was going to be the next big pitcher for the Red Sox. He got released. Eric Thames. Mitch Moreland. Roddy Tellez. Chris Martin. Hunter Renfroe. Jared Walsh. Wilmer Flores. Cameron Maybin. There's a Randy Arozerana rookie card. It's not the one I'm looking for, but I will take any Randy Arozerana rookie card because of the year he had this past season. Let's see what he can do with a full season. Sandy Leon. Devi Grulon, rookie. Alec Mills. Ian Miller. Ryan Weber. Starlin Castro. Kevin Palwecki. Pete Alonso, All-Star Game. Kendall Graveman. Chris Bryant. Let's hope he has a good year. He has a good year this year. Let's hope I can talk straight next video. Jake Newberry. Jeff Hoffman. Garrett Richards. Look at all these sideways cards. Mike Trout. Active leaders. Any Mike Trout's good. Danny, do you have to squeak the toy every video? Buck Farmer. Whoa! What do we miss here? We missed a few, dropped it. We saw the Derek Jeter there. Jose Suarez. Joey Votto. Foil. Buck Farmer, I think we already saw that. Derek Jeter, 20 years of captain. Interesting. I'll put Derek Jeter right here. Cody Bellinger, 35th anniversary of Topps. Cody Bellinger's cool, we'll put that one there. Tom Seaver. Jordan Alvarez, Turkey rookie, Topps Turkey. Willie McCovey, Ozzie Albies, Brennan Davis, #1 prospect card, Brennan Davis. We got the yellows coming up. We're gonna put the yellow cards in the back and we'll do those last, because those are the ones I'm looking forward to seeing. Scott Barlow, Mark McGwire, 92 home run derby. Zach Greinke, Kyle Farmer, Jarrell Cotton, Brock Holt, Bartolo Colon, Domingo Santana, Sam Travis, Michael Hermosillo, Nick Turley, rookie, Chesler Cuthbert, Gabe Spear, rookie, Alex Verdugo, Red Sox uniform. I think that's his first Red Sox uniform card. Alex Verdugo. Nice. I like Alex Verdugo. I'm going to put him in the back here. Jonathan Davis. Yasmini Thomas. Brad Miller. A lot of cards in this box. Phillies. Rockin' Philly. Harper and Segura. Joe Kelly. Javier Baez. Mike Montgomery. Cal Ripken Jr. All-Star Game 2001. CJ Cron. Andy Burns, rookie. Eduardo Nunez. Ken Griffey Jr., 1994 Home Run Derby. Get into those yellow cards. Jared Dyson. All right, we got our first yellow in the back. Let's hope it's a good one. Mike Trout. Active leaders, yellow. Mike Trout, yellow. Nice. I'll take the yellow Mike Trout. We're going to put him in the back. Let's see what the next one is. Wilmer Flores. And Jake Newberry, yellow. Rookie card. Jake Newberry, rookie. Just saw it was a rookie. That's cool. I like my rookies in the yellows. Let's put in there. Drew Smiley. And we got 2 yellows left. Jared Walsh, yellow. And last we got Chris Bryant, yellow. Man, I hope he has a good year. So, not too bad. I particularly liked the Mike Trout yellow card. It's probably a $3 or $4 card, maybe $5. I'll have to check the other ones and see what they're worth. Verdugo in the Red Sox uniform's cool. I know there's some short print cards in there. I'm not sure which ones they are until I go back and look. Let's see which ones, but if there's anything good, we'll show you during the video. Alright, I got one more hanger box to do. We'll do those later. Don't forget to subscribe down below. Thanks for watching.